This is a demonstration of my Majestic Calculator Python program I created. You can also create this Majestic Calculator Python program for your own use case scenario, which allow you to calculate base 10 numbers into binary base 2, octal base 8, and hexadecimal base 16 number systems. You can also use the translator part of this Majestic Calculator to translate binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers into decimal base 10 numbers. For those who are new to computers and computer programming, decimal base 10 is what we, as humans, use, whereas computers use binary numbers only. Octal numbers and hexadecimal numbers are often used in assembler language compilers, also known as machine language. Computers only understand ones and zeros that get translated into readable machine code that humans can understand. As for the ones and zeros part of the computer, it's only the computer manufacturers who have direct access to these ones and zeros, while the rest of us have to use machine language compilers, known as assembler language, that uses octal and hexadecimal numbers alike. For high-level programming languages like BASIC, beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code, C, C++, and Python, they use decimal base 10 numbers that humans understand. You can follow me on github.com under the username RoboMasterS1. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on two legs. Welcome to the JCR Majestic Calculator Python program exercise. Created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on two legs.